Asuntoskeittiö Harjulan rinne. Harjulankatu 11 in Lahti staircase, or only staircase.
It's the only one.
Yeah.
This has been built in 1984. There looks like us still on 6 floors. I have Valmet.
Yeah.
Sen Brazil 6780. Investeringsföretag updated factors. And faster, that's great.
Yeah.
I love the sounds in here.
Same here.
Nobody's coming.
Is feedbacki is that maintained by Kony?
Repeat. No, the memory is not so necessary here.
Yeah. It should have lights, then it would be interesting.
Yes, of course. But this is still interesting, but even more
Yeah.
interesting with the lights.
Yeah.
That's it, next one.
That's